Good morning students, welcome to the online class of computer. Today we are going to start the revision of chapter number 1st Microsoft Access 2010 part 1. Okay, so we are going to revision of our semester 1. So let us start with Microsoft Access 2010 part 1. Now all of you remember students what is Microsoft Access 2010. It is type of software which is used for making your query, reports, tables, etc. in a graphical way. So it is very understanding. Okay, it is more like Excel, but it gives a very nice designing and animation just as PowerPoint. Okay, in Excel we are just putting the formula and we are getting the required result. So let us start with our chapter number 1 Microsoft Access 2010 part 1 MCQs. Multiple choice question. First one, a dash is a collection of information which is related to a particular topic like student information, sport, detail, etc. Options are A table, B query, C database. So answer is database here. Second one, a dash is a basic unit of database. Options are A table, B query, C database. So answer is table here. Third one, a dash is used to enter data in a table in colorful and graphical way. Options are A form, B query, C database. So answer is form here. Now here students, see here database is a collection of information. You have this point, you have to remember. Database is a collection of all the information. So we are working on the database. So here database is used. Second one, table is the basic unit of database. Table is the basic unit of the database. Okay, table we are writing all the database. Okay, all the information we are writing in the table format. Third one, a dash is used to enter data in a table in graphical and colorful and graphical way. So form are in graphical and user way. So we are filling the form, all of you know that. So this is form. Fourth one, a dash is a question asked to the data stored in a table. Options are A table, B query, C database. So answer is query. Query is a question asked to the data stored in a table. Okay. Fifth one, a dash is an output process of a database. Options are A report, B query, C database. So answer is report here. So report is an output process of a database. Sixth one, using report you can print your data in a dash and dash way. Options are A neat and tidy, B colorful and tidy, C organized and attractive. So answer is organized and attractive. Organized and attractive way. Okay, using report you can print your data in an organized and attractive way. Okay, organized and attractive way you can make the reports here. Okay, so query is used to ask the question, all of you know. Report is used to generate the output process, and reports can be made in a organized and attractive way. Seventh one, column of access table is known as dash. Options are A row, B field, C cell. So answer is field here. Column of access table is known as field. Okay, every column is known as field here. Eighth one, a dash provides the data satisfying the criteria. Options are A form, B macro, C query. So answer is query here. A query provides the data satisfying the criteria. It is a question. Okay, we are giving the criteria to the computer and we are getting the answer here. Ninth one, dash view is used to create and modify table structure. Options are A design, B datasheet, C pivot table. So answer is design. Okay, structure we can made by a design view only. Okay. 10th one, the default file name of Access database is dash. Options are A data1, B database1, C db1. So answer is database 1 here. The default file name of Access database is database 1 here. 11th one, sort and filter group is on dash tab. Options are A create, B home, C external data. So answer is home here. Sort and filter group is on the home tab here. 12th one, book price can be defined as dash data type. Options are A currency, B yes no, C text here. So answer is currency here. Book price is defined as currency here. Okay. 13.1, we can store maximum dash character in a text field. Options are 255, B 256, C 64,000. So maximum in the text field there are 255 characters. 14.1, dash data type is used to store email address. Options are A hyperlink, B hypertext, C link. So answer is hyperlink here. Okay. 15.1, dash is used to uniquely identify a record. Options are A secondary memory, B primary memory, C alternate memory. So answer is primary memory here. Okay. Okay students, so see here now, maximum characters are 255 characters and hyperlink is used for email address, right? Remember this, hyperlink is used for email address, to store email address, and primary key is used to identify a record. So if you identify a record, primary key is required. So this is very important of the primary key, so we have to use that. Okay, now let us start with our next chapter, that is next chapter, introduction to WW, introduction to World Wide Web. Okay, so let us start. So let us start introduction to WW, that is World Wide Web. All of you know what is the World Wide Web here. Okay, we are talking about the internet here. So let us study the MCQs of introduction to WW, that is World Wide Web. Multiple choice question. Web pages are stored on different computers known as dash, located at different geographical location around the globe. Options are A client, B server, C browser. So answer is server here. Second one, the official publicly available service of World Wide Web was started at dash in Switzerland. Options are A CERN, B Geneva, C Spain. Third one, dash work on the basis of client and server techniques. Options are A www, B web browser, C modem. So answer is www. Fourth one, the communication between client and server is carried out using some specific set of rules known as dash. Options are A guide, B protocol, C control. So answer is protocol here. Now students, see here, web pages are used, web pages are stored in different geographical location. Pages are different there, and server, it is located on the server. Okay, so we are getting the information from the server of the computer. The public and the World Wide Web was developed in CERN and Switzerland. Okay, CERN city in Switzerland. Third one, WW works on the client and server techniques, and protocols are used for communication, okay, between server and a client. Fifth one, a dash is a software program mainly used to see websites. Options are web servers, B web search, C web browser. Answer is web browser. So web browser is a software used to see the website. Currently we are using the web browser, Mozilla, Firefox and Chrome etc. for seeing the websites. Sixth one, name of the very first web browser is dash. Options are A Nexus, B Lexus, C Texas. So answer is Nexus here. The first web browser name is Nexus here. Seventh one, Microsoft came with its web browser Internet Explorer in the year dash. Options are A 1994, B 1995, C 1998. So answer is 1995 here. Eighth one, Dash was released on 14th March 2011. Options are IE 8.0, B IE 9.0, C IE 1.0. So answer is IE 9.0. Now students, you have to remember that IE is the short form of Internet Explorer, and 8.0, 9.0 and 1.0 are the version. So Internet Explorer came into existence in 1995 and 9.0 was released on 14 March 2011. Ninth one, Dash was created by Dev Hayat and Black Rose. Options are A Firefox, B Chrome and C Netscape. Answer is Firefox. Firefox was created by Dev Hayat and Black Rose here. 10th one, Google Chrome for Windows was released in the year dash. Options are A 2008, B 2009, C 2011. So answer is 2008 here. So Google Chrome was made in the year 2008 here. 11th one, version 51.0 of Chrome was released on dash. Options are A 21st April 2016, B 25th April 2016, C 31st May 2016. So answer is 21st April 2016. 12th one, Dash is a very important protocol used during web surfing. Options are A HTTP, B RTPS, C Telnet. So answer is HTTP. Now see here students, in the Google Classroom, Google Chrome was released in the year 2008 here, and version 15.10 of Chrome was released on 21st April 2016 here, and HTTP are the protocol which are using, right? We are on the web browser, we are typing the HTTP and we are typing the address, and when we are clicking on that, it throws on the web page on the servers. Okay, so in this way we have to use the protocols for web surfing. Okay, this was our MCQs on chapter number 3, introduction to WW. If you have any questions or query, you can ask me in the classroom itself. Okay, so that's all. So this was our lecture on MCQs on chapter number 1 and chapter number 3. So let's quickly revise what we have learned here. We have learned that web pages are stored in server, and the World Wide Web was developed in CERN, and client servers technique is based on WWE, that is World Wide Web. And for communication, on the internet we use protocols, rules, that is known as protocols here. Software program to see the website is web browser here. The first web browser name is Nexus, and Internet Explorer came into existence in 1995. IE 9.10 was released on 14 March 2011. Firefox was created by Dev Hayat and Black Rose, and Google Chrome for Windows was released on 2008, and version 51.0 of Chrome was released on 21st April 2016 here. And 14th last one, HTTP is the protocol for web surfing. Okay students, so this was our MCQs of chapter number 1st and 3rd. So students, read this MCQs once again and write in a good handwriting in your notebook. Okay, so If you have any query, any doubt regarding the revisions, you can ask me in the class. Okay, so that's for all today now. Thank you and have a nice day.